Baby Hazel Nursery Rhymes.
Kids, let's have fun in Phonics World.
Kids, let's go and meet the alphabets. Hooray! Here is the alphabet. I am A, the alphabet A. I make a sound, Let's sing few words beginning with me. Alligator,
Alligator.
ant,
Ant.
artist,
Artist.
apple,
Apple.
aeroplane,
Aeroplane.
acrobat,
Acrobat.
alphabet. A is for artist, paints so beautifully. A is for apple, tastes so good in my belly. A is amazing, the first letter we learn. A is for acrobat, doing flips and turns. A to C. What's the next letter? You can sing with me.
Hi, letter B.
Hi, kids.
B, can you please give me your introduction to my friends?
Sure.
I am B, the alphabet B. I make a sound, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. I have so many words beginning with me. Banana,
Banana.
beans,
Beans.
bread,
Bread.
ball,
Ball.
balloons,
Balloons.
ballerina.
Ballerina.
Kids, so many animal and bird names beginning with letter B.
Butterfly,
Butterfly.
bear,
Bear.
buffalo,
Buffalo.
blue whale,
Blue whale.
bluebird,
Bluebird.
bat.
Bat.
Let us sing a song. B is for bananas hanging in the tree. B is for ballerina, it's fun to dance with me. B is for baker, baking fresh bread. B is for butterfly landing on my head. Ba ba ba, B to Z. What's the next letter? You can sing with me.
C. Hi there. Do you know where is the letter C?
No, he is not around. Letter C, where are you? Letter C, how do you do? Letter C, what makes you make? Letter C, how do you trace? Hi kids, I am here.
Welcome, letter C.
I am C, the alphabet C. I make a sound, k, k, k. Let's sing a few words beginning with me. Cake,
Cake.
cookies,
Cookies.
car,
Car.
carrot,
Carrot.
computer,
Computer.
coloring,
Coloring.
castle,
Castle.
Christmas.
Christmas.
Letter C also has so many animals and bird names beginning with it. Caterpillar,
Caterpillar.
cat,
Cat.
cow,
Cow.
camel,
Camel.
crow,
Crow.
canary,
Canary.
C is for caterpillar crawling cherry cake, my favorite kind of lunch. C is for chili, so hot on my tongue. C is for carrot, so orange and long. C, C to Z. What's the next letter you can sing with me?
Hey there, I am Hazel. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get an update on our new videos.